Hello guys, hello everybody, hello you, welcome to my channel, Gray's Art. I am Gray and today I am with D. Saan? We don't know anymore.
Yeah, we don't know anymore, Char. Sa Kayuka, Zanford.
Oo, pero yun lang. But before anything else guys, please don't forget to subscribe, to comment, and like, and share this video to your family and friends. And now, wala lang. Umarte tayo.
Kumala na kami kasi sunny day.
Oo, yun lang. Small lang. Fast, unexpected meet-up din naman to.
Catch up, and it's your birthday.
Ay, oo nga pala, birthday ko pala.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Ayun.
Plastikan kami.
Okay. Dito na naman kami.
Amsterdam na naman.
Yes.
With some extensions. Who would've thought that we'd have a real show? That we would drop 3 albums in a row. Have our own match with a custom logo. Everything funded by me and the bros. I used to fear standing up in the crowd. Now I ask them to put me in the front like I'm choir directing. But you like your God, he picked up the tables and turned them around. I'm getting paid to make puzzles with sounds. I dream in color and speak with authority. Give me the mic with a stage and a beat. You would think that I'm holding the scepter of ground. Up to the ground. What ticket?
Adobo sandwich.
Ang init.
My city, I'm wearing my crown. Grew up in the struggle. My struggle has struggles, and so will my brothers that fall to the ground.
Kain tayong kwek-kwek. Ito siya. Malaki. First time ko kumain ito. Harina. Flour lang.
Nag-expect ako ng something else. Itlog lang pala siya.
Itlog na may harina lang pala to eh. Pero masarap kasi yung may ano yun? Vinegar. Kaya pala.
Ah, yung sauce pala.
Sarap.
I'm that dude. I'm that dude. I'm digging the shows. The harbor is new. The city is cool. I'm that dude. You better stop, bro, if I keep going. I'm in my own mind, thinking hard, meditate. Think once, speak twice, hesitate. I'm just trying to level up, levitate. Make another one so I can celebrate. Drop the beat, but I'm picking it up. It's in my bag, putting me down, but I'm living it up.
Sa Harlem kami.
Sabi may disruption daw yung train. Wala naman. Sinuloko nyo. Ayaw nilang pumunta yung mga tao sa beach.
Ayaw namin sila doon.
Ayaw nila pala. Sila pala taga doon. Ayaw nila mga taga sa amin. Kasi doon kami papunta.
Madaming tao.
Kaya sinabi nila sa app, disruption talaga everything.
Mhm.
Hindi ka makabili ng ticket.
Mhm.
Over.
Mhm.
It's so sunny. Oh my God!
Mainit na.
Char. Ayaw umitim, no? Dito ako sa sun. Malamig kasi pag hindi.
Pero malamig yung konti.
Actually, tinitiis ko lang para. Kasi yung mga tao dito, akala mo talaga summer na talaga. Magja-jacket ka dito parang sana.
Iba yung pakiramdam dahil sa Amsterdam. Kesa dito.
Oh, guys, mainit talaga.
Mainit. Ito malamig. Sa lugar namin. Kaya tinatanong ko siya palagi, di ba? Kung malamig sa labas.
Ito yung tuot ko.
Kasi ganito dito, malamig sa lugar ko
Malamig ko pala
pala.
siya.
Inuman na lang eh.
Anong oras na? Happy hour?
4 p.m. pa lang naman.
Oo, happy hour. 4:30. Pwede na.
Pwede na lang. Nakasilaw yung araw.
At least may araw talaga.
Ito. Kaya na din. Ay, tapo na to. Rose.
Actually, halos lahat ng vlog ko nakaharap. Alice, room okay? Yeah, perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you, Al.
Nga time lapse. Sabi ko time lapse ko. Hindi naman natin.
Do something.
All my dogs be missing me when I order here for two. Cooling on a Sunday, but I still wanna cruise. Watch me hit my 100 step, but I feel it in
Masarap yung mushroom.
Sarap.
Sarap yan.
Wala na yung diet.
Susunod na.
baby. Alright, been thinking about you lately.
Naka-long sleeve. Summer ba? Oh my God, naka-long sleeve na nga. 3 bottles.
Bottles. Bottles. Pakita natin. Ano ba yung iinom natin? Ito. Ito na pangatlo namin. Iba na to.
Iba na talaga.
Iba na siya.
So, sa mga gustong
Maglasing.
maglasing, punta na kayo ng Netherlands. Message us.
We will drink.
Drink with you kasi masaya kami sa buhay namin.
Pros. We're happy.
We're happy. I hope you guys are happy too. Genuinely.
Yes. Yun lang.
Tell me what you like. Yeah. Living on the edge of my pride now. Something about your smile, it just made me fall in love. Shit, and I don't know your name. Who that man you came with? Do he speak your language? I don't know if he do shit, and I don't know if he's right. So I approached my lady, she said bye. I got a man, and I'm his wife. She showed that ring, so I took flight to see what else going on.
Tatlong bote. Pero natapos namin. Okay ba kami?
Alam ko okay naman.
Okay pa.
Sa Netherlands, hindi mo talaga alam kung mag-jacket ka or kung
Kaya
ano.
nga
Alam
eh.
mo, stress sa kahapon.
Biglang lamig
Kung
na
anong
naman.
susuotin ko.
Ako din eh. Actually, nag-iisip ako. Sabi ko, mag-gaan na ba ako? Mag-shorts ba ako? Nag-shorts din ako pero sobrang lamig.
Pero nag-tube ako kanina.
Pero may dala kang jacket. Ako din may dala kang jacket. Kaya ako pasuot. Pero, yun lang.
So, welcome to Netherlands.
Nasa to Netherlands.
Then maybe I ain't fall in love, I just fell in like.
Always gotta keep my head up. Always gotta keep my eyes up.
So guys, that's everything for now. I hope that you enjoyed this video as much as we do. Again guys, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Always gotta keep my eyes up. Smoking dope, got my eyes low. Off the drugs, kill my idols. Everybody got me fed up. Reminisce when shit was better. But was it really ever better? Or did I feel like this forever? Step outside. When's the last time I stepped outside? I was probably feeling like I wanna die. Around the last time I said I'm fine. When she asked if she hurt me, I couldn't help but fly back in time. Felt like every pathway aligned. Deja vu, I felt days combined. Deja vu, I felt days combined. I escaped the loop and watched it all unwind. And I saw it straight for the first time in the form and shape that was by design. Felt like tunnel vision when you get revived. Like I seen the light, like I opened blinds. Like I could feel the shine. I was looking forward and could see behind. Yeah. This ain't what I want, ain't what I want, it's what I need. I've been here before, just couldn't see. Last time